how you can set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first step is open up your WhatsApp and note this down that the pictures you send in your WhatsApp chat will not degrade in quality, so you can just download that. Tap on save and you can just save this. Now what you'll need to do is go to your WhatsApp settings. Now after you're on your WhatsApp settings, just tap on your username and there you will see right below your profile picture the edit option. Tap on edit again on the top right, and there you will get option to choose photo. Tap on choose photo and right there you have the picture that you just saved. So select that and tap on choose. Now this will be an HD picture, so you won't be losing any quality there. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. That is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.